Alright, here's another video of the latest project in the garden, and that is a mister. So if you notice around the patio porch here, all around I have misting units, and when it's 90 plus or 100 degrees plus in Texas, we can come out here, turn the mister on, and hopefully be a little bit cooler and still trying to enjoy the garden. So as you can see here, it's kind of a windy day, so the mister's blowing all over, but you can see that it goes all the way around. And it looks like it puts out a nice fine mist of water. It doesn't use a lot of water, but it looks like it's a nice fine mist, so if you're out here, you're not going to get drenched. As you get closer, as you can see, that basically it's a 1/4 inch irrigation tubing that we use, and then we use these mister units that you can get off of eBay for really cheap. Some of them ship from China, some of them are in the United States, but they come in and you just insert the 1/4 inch tubing into the slip lock, and you have the misting nozzle already there, and so it puts out a nice mist. So if it's not too windy, it kind of goes straight down, turns into a fine mist. It's pretty easy here. I'll show you how I connected it. So basically I just use 1/4 inch connectors here that are a little tube that the tube fits in, and then every about 2 feet I have the misting unit locked in, pointed down, and it's connected to the hose here. If we follow this down, if you remember, I showed you how I have the irrigation system hooked up. Well, this time it is hooked up to this empty connector there, and to make the system last a little bit longer, I have a calcium inhibitor and filter. So a lot of times those misters will get clogged with sediment or calcium or that type of buildup. So this hopefully will make it last a little bit longer, and I won't have to clean those nozzles maybe so often with the calcium buildup. And then it's just hooked up here to the regular irrigation tubing, so it's just a short connecting piece, and then it goes down to a 1/4 inch connector tubing and back up. So it's really easy to install. It basically took, I don't know, 30 minutes just to go out there and measure it and connect it all up there. So it's a really easy do-it-yourself project. You could probably do all sorts of different configurations with these misters, but this one seems to work pretty good as a first attempt, and it makes out a nice fine mist. So anyways, just wanted to share that with you so you can see how the latest in the garden is.